Only limitation in this competition is the cement dosage, as the cement is the highest variable that controls the concrete strength. It is limited for 450 kilogram per cubic meter. And the other variables such as silica fume, fly ash, slag, metakaolin, steel fibers, or any other chemical admixture or supplementary cementing materials are all left open for the creativity and the design to reach the highest strength mixture.
This is our 15th mix that we did. We did a total of 16.
$80, $85, $90, $95, $99, $100, $103.
I thought it was a really interesting way to get some experience in designing different concrete mixtures. It was really cool to have that competition aspect in it. That's kind of, your friendly competition with your classmates and your friends.
So far the competition is great. I believe that it was a great learning experience. Sometimes you learn things afterwards when it's too late, but overall I think the competition is amazing. It's incredible. We use accelerators so we can keep hearing wrong, and I'm going to guess 110, but I'm willing to be proved wrong. The first value we got pretty low. We weren't expecting that. We weren't expecting in the 80s. Second value, 125, is the highest we've ever got, so that was so exciting. So now it's just up to the third cube to see.
We just got 150. We didn't expect that. We during testing we got about 140 was the highest, 120, but we weren't expecting the 150.
First couple mixes were not very strong, but as we went along, we kind of learned from our mistakes. We became pretty hopeful. I mean, as the competition's going on right now, there's some really amazing mixtures that people have got, but yeah.
We use 15% silica fume, 22 fly ash, 20 steel fiber, 5% plasticizer. All our aggregates were sieved and washed, and they were dried in a room well above room temperature. We used a coarse to fine aggregate ratio of 0.8, water cement ratio of 0.23, and we used 50 mils of accelerator, which is quite a bit. They were cured in a heat closet. They can cured in a heat bath at a temperature of 55 degrees for 24 hours.
95, 97, 100, 105, 10, 13.
I think the funniest thing was when we were experimenting with the steel fibers. We kind of didn't know much about them, so we kind of made a mix. One of the people in a group made a mix, and we ended up putting in, I think, 300 grams of steel fibers, and it looked just like a glob of yarn, except with steel sticking out. It was so dense, and we had to throw it out because it would have just broke, but it was the funniest thing. We took a picture, and it was awesome.
I know when we were testing our cubes just yesterday, and we were compressing them, and one of our team members, Tendai, he was compressing, and then when it exploded, he got a big shock because he didn't expect it, and he dove for cover and covered his head, which was kind of fun. Yeah.
18, 250.
This was our fourth time with that mix, because every time something went wrong. One time we left it in the bath for too long, another time we didn't compact it enough, so it was our fourth time mixing this one.
Getting dirty in the lab is always funny. You get covered in cement, and it gets down under your nails and burns and stuff like that, but I guess it's part of the learning process.
That's breaking the record.